Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make ogbono soup mixed with okro. So first you grate your okro, which is what we're doing right now. Yeah, this is the okro. Next step, you have to cut your vegetables. I usually like to prepare all my ingredients down before I start cooking. So yeah, I'm currently cutting the vegetables for the soup. Next, this is the fish. You have the stockfish and other type of fish. I really don't know the name, but anyways, dry fish or something like that. Yeah. So we're done with cutting the vegetables. This is the vegetables. This is your palm oil or red oil. That's the okra, which we have finished grating. And this is the ogbono that's already been mixed with pepper and crayfish. Your boiled meat. We finished boiling the meat, so this is in a plate, and this is our salt, which is very necessary for cooking. So this is everything basically. That's our tiny maggi over there, the fish, your vegetable, your ogbono, your okra, your palm oil, your meat, and the salt. So this is the pot, and we just put our palm oil or red oil into the pot and we allow it to be heated for a while. Then put our meat and a little water. Yeah, this is our meat and a little water. So we pour the heated oil into the ogbono to make it dissolve, to make it dissolve, I think. Yeah, to make it melt, whatever the language you want to use. So this is the result of the ogbono. Then we go back to our pot and we begin to add our stockfish into the pot, which is our meat is there already, and we added water, and we're now adding our stockfish to the pot. Yeah, as you can see, it is boiling, our meat and our stockfish. So it is now time for us to add the ogbono to the pot. So we are adding the ogbono right now, and after adding the ogbono to the pot, all you need to do is to just turn or stir till it starts to draw, which it has already started manifesting. Yeah, so just keep turning, keep turning your soup. I am now adding my dry fish. I usually add it almost at this point so that it doesn't scatter before the soup gets ready. I'm putting my maggi right now, and after putting my maggi, I'm going to put my salt to the food. Yeah, after putting these are basically the only two ingredients. I put pepper. I just turn your soup to make sure the salt and the maggi goes round and round. So as you can see, our soup is boiling, and it is now time for us to add the okra. Yeah, I have added the okra to the soup, and what will I do again? I just turn my soup. Yeah, that's it. Your okra and your ogbono are now in the same pot. I am adding my vegetable, which is the last thing I usually add. Vegetables are good for your health, so it is necessary. And after adding my vegetables, I just turn my soup, and yes, my soup is ready. My ogbono mixed with okra soup, it is ready, and it is delicious. I wish you ate it with me. I'm sorry. Yeah, so our soup is ready, and I think it's looking so beautiful, and it also tastes good too. Yeah, so the hot water on the fire so we can make a bar, and you have to make a bar. So you just pour your water into a bowl. Make sure you have already gauged the quantity. Then put your garri and put a little water after, and your garri is ready. Your eba is ready. Yeah, just turn and this is it. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it has also taught you how to cook ogbono soup mixed with okra. For those who haven't tried it, you can try it out, and I hope I was able to take you guys in the step-by-step process. I love you all, and please subscribe. Thank you.